for intro to adverbs. We're just going to talk very quickly about them so that you can start identifying them. Now in English, we usually identify adverbs because they end in ly. Well, a lot of our adverbs in French end in ment. So we'll have which sounds like mon, ment, mon, attentivement, lentement, slowly, attentively. And I mean, really, that's it. If you see the ment, that's going to seem like an adverb. And if you put a ly at the end of what is most likely a cognate, which means a word that looks like English, you'll be able to figure out what that word is. Now, usually, you put the adverb after the verb. It's like you add it after the verb. Adverb. Okay? But just like in English, we have words that you can forget, whether they're an adjective or an adverb. For instance, good and well. Good is an adjective. That's why you don't say I am doing good, because you are actually describing the verb doing, which means you need to pick an adverb. And you should be saying I am doing well. That's why in French we say je vais bien. I am going, literally going or doing well. And we use our adverb. If you can remember now that bon is an adjective and bien is our adverb and use them correctly, that will be laying a very good foundation for later when we do more things and compare with our adverbs and adjectives. So for instance, this is an adjective, so this could have an S at the end, and it could also have a feminine spelling. And I could say, I am a good cook. Je suis une bonne cuisinière. I am a good cook. But if I was describing how I cook well, then I would use bien. Je cuisine bien, because I'm describing the verb. Just like English. So look at your sentence carefully and think, am I describing a noun or am I describing a verb? And it's the exact same as French. As in English. Are you describing a noun or are you describing a verb? If you can think of those two things and remember that, then you will be one step closer to be able to use these in French correctly as well.